So let's see together how to ask politely, well, things in French. So we'll see a few examples, and then I hope it will be more clear after. I'd like to talk to you. J'aimerais te parler. J'aimerais te parler. J'aimerais te parler. As you can see, we tend to use quite much this aimer. Aimer is to like or to love, remember? In the conditional form, to use this would like to concept, like in English, obviously. J'aimerais te parler. I would like to talk to you. Another option is souhaiter. I would like to talk to you. We can use this souhaiter to wish. And same thing here, we'll continue with the conditional form. Je souhaiterais te parler. Je souhaiterais, so this one is funny to pronounce, souhaiterais te parler. Je souhaiterais te parler. I would like to talk to you. Same thing here. Souhaiter is to wish, but then when you put that in the conditional form, it's I would like to, I would wish to, I would like to talk to you. Okay? On continue. I would like to talk to you. Je voudrais te parler. Same thing here. Another option is the verb vouloir. Vouloir, it's to want. Okay, but when we put it in the conditional form, je voudrais, it's the same meaning, so I would like to. Je voudrais te parler. Je voudrais te parler. Another option, could I have a word with you? Pourrais-je te parler? Pourrais-je te parler? Okay, so in that case, pouvoir, remember, pouvoir is can. And in that case is the conditional form. So it's really this could concept. Huh? So we tend to put first the verb and after that the subject. So it makes this question extremely formal. It's extremely correct. Pourrais-je te parler? Can I talk to you for a minute? Je peux te parler? Je peux te parler? Je peux te parler? So you need to raise your voice at the end of this one, because as we keep the order je peux, I mean, it could be an affirmation in that case. So we want to make it clear that it's a question. So, je peux te parler? I would like to tell him what I think of his idea. J'aimerais lui dire ce que je pense de son idée. J'aimerais lui dire ce que je pense de son idée. J'aimerais lui dire ce que je pense de son idée. So as you can see in that case, we're using again the verb aimer in the conditional. So I would like to tell him what I think of his idea. So another option, whoops, as you can see, in my souhaiterais, I've been mixing the order, so A should come before the E. Sorry about that. So you will correct that. I will correct the PDF after. Je souhaiterais lui dire ce que je pense de son idée. Je souhaiterais, remember, it's A-I-S, hein? Not like that. Lui dire ce que je pense de son idée. Je souhaiterais lui dire ce que je pense de son idée. I would like to tell him what I think of his idea. Another option, remember, it was vouloir. Hein? Je voudrais lui dire ce que je pense de son idée. Je voudrais lui dire ce que je pense de son idée. Je voudrais lui dire ce que je pense de son idée. I mean, these three sentences are extremely correct. Could I tell him what I think of his idea? Pourrais-je lui dire ce que je pense de son idée? Pourrais-je lui dire ce que je pense de son idée? Pourrais-je lui dire ce que je pense de son idée? Can I tell him what I think of his idea? Je peux lui dire ce que je pense de son idée? Je peux lui dire ce que je pense de son idée. je peux lui dire ce que je pense de son idée. So remember that in that case, as we had previously, because we're using peut, I mean in the present form, I mean it's not conditional present, so it means that it's less polite. I mean, by using the conditional, it would make the sentence or the question a bit more polite. I would like to go home not too late. J'aimerais rentrer à la maison pas trop tard. J'aimerais rentrer à la maison pas trop tard. J'aimerais rentrer à la maison pas trop tard. So same thing, it's a way to ask something. It's interesting because you don't really use it, I mean, like we had previously, as a question per se, but still, as you can see, it's like a question. It's just or an information for the person you came with that you would like to go home not too late. Let's see another polite form. I would like to go home not too late. So once again, we're using souhaiter, and it's correctly spelled in that case. Je souhaiterais rentrer à la maison pas trop tard. Je souhaiterais rentrer à la maison pas trop tard. Je souhaiterais rentrer à la maison pas trop tard. I would like to go home not too late. Third option that we had, as in the previous examples, the verb vouloir in the conditional form. Je voudrais rentrer à la maison pas trop tard. Je voudrais rentrer à la maison pas trop tard. Could I come home not too late? Pourrais-je rentrer à la maison pas trop tard? Pourrais-je rentrer à la maison pas trop tard? Pourrais-je rentrer à la maison pas trop tard? So as we had previously, I mean, this one is clearly a question, but the other one were questions too, but not directly questions. But I mean, this one is, well, apparently, because we're using the conditional, we're using the order, the changed order for the question. So first the verb and after that the subject. So it's really a polite question. Can I go home now? Not too late. Je peux rentrer à la maison pas trop tard. I've been adding this now. I was a bit generous in the English translation. Je peux rentrer à la maison pas trop tard. Je peux rentrer à la maison pas trop tard. Keep in mind, because we have the same order as for now, affirmation, we need to raise your voice, our voice in the end. I would like to sleep in this weekend. J'aimerais faire la grasse matinée ce week-end. J'aimerais faire la grasse matinée ce week-end. J'aimerais faire la grasse matinée ce week-end. So you probably saw the patterns in this lesson to use first aimer in the conditional, then souhaiter here. I would like to sleep in this weekend. Je souhaiterais faire la grasse matinée ce week-end. Je souhaiterais faire la grasse matinée ce week-end. Je souhaiterais faire la grasse matinée ce week-end. I would like to sleep in this weekend. Je voudrais faire la grasse matinée ce week-end. Je voudrais faire la grasse matinée ce week-end. Je voudrais faire la grasse matinée ce week-end. Same thing here. I mean, I guess you saw the pattern. Now it's the direct question with the inversion and the pourrait and je. Could I sleep in this weekend? Pourrais-je faire la grasse matinée ce week-end? Pourrais-je faire la grasse matinée ce week-end? Pourrais-je faire la grasse matinée ce week-end? And just to make it quite logical, we'll finish again with the less formal, polite way of asking. Can I sleep in this weekend? Je peux faire la grasse matinée ce week-end? Je peux faire la grasse matinée ce week-end. Je peux faire la grasse matinée ce week-end? Voilà. I mean, you're your specialist now, to how to ask politely something. Merci beaucoup.